All right, so again, we're supposed to use a graphing calculator to solve this system of equations. So let's first go ahead and make up what our matrix is that we're going to input into the calculator. And so that's going to be a 6, a 5, a 13, and then a negative 8.75. Now here, the x has to go to the other side, so that's going to be a minus 1, a 13, a 7, and a negative 4.25. Now here, the 2 has to go over, so it's going to be a 0, a 2, a 3, and a negative 2.5. All right, so that's going to be the matrix we enter. Now we go over to our calculator, and let's clear everything out. So here we're going to go over to edit. Let's go into A again. And I had started this video before and then the internet went out. And so I have it typed in already and I'm making a video a second time. So there's the matrix already inputted in. So we can quit and we can do second enter. And that's going to do the row reduced echelon form for that matrix. And so we get X is 0.5, Y is 0.25, and Z is negative 1. So we get the ordered triple. That was 0 0.5, 0 0.25, negative 1. And so that should be our solution. Now, when we do this, it's going to be for the check, it's going to be 6 times 0 0.5, and then plus 5 times 0 0.25, and then plus 13 times negative 1 equals a negative 8.75. I'm just going to write them all here, and then we're going to go back over and we're going to plug them into our calculator and just to check it. So then we have 13 times y, which is 0 0.25, plus 7 times z, which is a negative 1. And then that's equal to negative 4.25 plus 0.5. And then for the third one, we have 3 times z, which is a negative 1. And that's equal to a negative 2.5 minus, and then we have a 2 times, and that's a 0.25. All right. So multiplying all these out, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and go back to our calculator. And so we're going to take our first equation. So we're going to take 6 times zero point 0.5 and then plus 5 times 0.25 and then plus 13 times a negative 1, and we're supposed to get negative 8.75, and that's what we get. The next one we have 13 times the y, which is a 0.25, then plus 7 times, then we have a negative 1, and that side of the equation we get negative 375, and the other one we get a negative 4.25, and then plus, and then we have a 0.5, and that gives us a negative 375 too. So the second equation works. And then on our final one, let's go ahead and clear all that out. Then we have 3 times, and then we had a negative 1, so that's a negative 3. And on the other side, we have a negative 2 point, oops, not negative 22, 2.5. And then we had a minus 2 times a 0.25, and we get negative 3. So all three of them work, and so that's means that this really is the solution to the error equation. So all three of those actually do work. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.